subtraction, both is involving. Okay. If any problem is given to you in which you have to add and you have to subtract, both things you have to do, then what you will do? First you have to add, okay? That is the rule. First we have to do addition, and then what the sum we will get, from that sum we will do the subtraction. Okay? What we have to do first? Addition and then subtraction. For example, here is given one sum to you. It is written over here, 2,63,520 plus 5,23,152 minus 1,62,730. Here you can see both the sign, plus sign and minus sign, both sign. Okay. First we have to do addition. First of all we have to do addition. And one thing you remember, in front of this first number there is no sign. Okay. If there is no sign, it means it is plus sign only. Okay. If there is no sign, we can put plus sign over there. Now the number which is having plus sign in front of them, we will add those numbers, okay, together. So where is the plus sign in front? Before this number there is a plus sign, and before this number also there is a plus sign. So first we will add these two numbers, okay? And then what the sum will come, from that sum we will subtract this number. You see here how we are doing. If you want to write a place value chart, you can write in a place value table only, or simply you can write like this also, 2,63,520. Otherwise you can start from here, 2 ones, 5 tens, 100, 3,000, 2 10,000 and 5 lakh. We have to add these two numbers. And if there is a confusion, you can write the place value table also, 0, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Now you add it nicely. 2 plus 0, 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 and 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Now what the sum I get here, from that sum I will subtract this third one, because before this number it is a subtraction sign, minus sign is there. So we will subtract. You can continue here only by subtracting, otherwise you write again. Lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. If you write in a place value table, now there is a less chances of mistake over there. And always start writing from right hand side only. When you are writing arranging the number in a column, then you always start from a right hand side. Start from here. 2, 7, 6, 6, 8, 7. Okay. Now do here. 0, 3, 7, 2, 6, 1 minus. Okay. 2 minus 0, 2, 7 minus 3, 4, 16 minus 7, it will be 9. You understand now, here I have borrowed 1 from here, it becomes 16, then 16 minus 7, because 6 is smaller than 7, and this 6 will become 5, okay? So 16 minus 7 is 9, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 1 is 6. So this question is 6 lakh. So my answer is 6,23,942. You can see first we have done addition and then from the sum we have done subtraction of the third number. So what we have done, first I have written plus sign here. If no sign is given, that means there is a plus sign, and we have to add the numbers before which there is a plus sign. Okay, we will add all those numbers before there is a plus sign. So I have added these two numbers together. Okay, in front, before it there is a plus sign, and before this number also there is a plus sign. So we have added these two numbers. And what the sum I got, from that sum I have subtracted the third number and then we get the answer. It is very simple. Only rule we have to follow: first addition, then subtraction. Okay, first addition, then subtraction, and we have to add the number. In front of there is the plus sign. We will not add these two numbers. Okay, we will add these two numbers only. Okay. Now let's discuss one more question here. Five lakh 62,220. Okay, plus 1,66,220 minus 1,80,888. Okay, clear to you all? So first we will do the addition of these two numbers. We will add these two numbers. Okay, in front of there we will put plus sign. First what we are doing, if there is no sign, we have to put over there plus sign. And now we will write the number here in a column. So this is the sum. Okay, from this sum we will subtract this number. Minus, we have to borrow from here, it will become 10. 10 minus 8, it will be 2. Now again 13 minus 8, it will be 5. Again we have to borrow from here, it will become 7. 13 minus 8, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 12 minus 8, it will be 4. And then 6 minus 1, it will be 5. So answer is 5,47,552. So children, like that you can do the calculation here. Now let's discuss some word problem. Here is question given: the population of a town in the year 2010 was 29,12,786. if 98,975 people were left, okay, were left the town for the work, how many people were left over there? Means maybe the population of the town was this much, like that the population of Hazaribagh was 29 lakh, okay, but many people went out for the work now. They used to go Bombay, Delhi or anywhere for the work. So some people went out for the work. Then what is the population now? We have to subtract the people who went out. Then only we will find the population of the town now. So similarly we will do here also. First of all, with the statement, means we have to do subtraction here. So whatever is written in the statement, by the question we will write the statement here. Population of the town. Total population of the town in 2010. What is the total population of the town in 2010? That is 29,12,786. Okay. Now the people were left the town. Number of people were left the town. It is 98,000 lakh. Okay, no lakh is there. So we will start writing from here only. 98,975. So that's why I used to say all time you write from a right hand side. From this side you start arranging in a column. Otherwise, if you will not write nicely, you will do mistake. And if it is difficulty, then you can write the place in a place value table also like this. It is a 10 lakh, it is lakh, it is 10,000, it is 1,000, 100, tens, ones. And in the column only you write, okay, nicely. There will be the less chance of mistake then. So how many people were left? So number, you can write your number of people were left for work. Means gone somewhere. Okay. Now the people left in a town. What we'll do? We will do the subtraction. 6 minus 5, it will be 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 7 is smaller than 9, so we have to borrow from here. It will become 17. Now 17 minus 9 will be 8. Okay? And this 2 will become 1. Because 2 has given 1 to 100. So here it is. 1 is also smaller. Again they will borrow. So here it will be 11. 11 minus 8, it will be 3. And here again we have to borrow. Then 10 minus 9 will be 1. It will be 8 then. So what is the people left in the town? That is 28 lakh 13,811. So children, when you are solving the word problem, you read the problem again and again and you try to understand what we have to do. We have to do addition or we have to do subtraction. And after that, you do the calculation nicely without any mistake. So like that you practice all the word problems and the problem which is involving both addition and subtraction. Thank you children.